Do you want to teach your kids how to invest, but you're not quite sure how to get started? Whether you have very young children or you're starting to fill out college applications, we've assembled some great resources to help you and your kids learn about investing together. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the best investment accounts for children. Custodial Roth IRA. If your child has earned income from a part-time job, they may qualify for a custodial Roth IRA. As a custodial account, the parent that opens the account manages the assets until the child reaches 18, or 21 in some states. Contributions to a Roth individual retirement account grow tax-free, and your child can even use the contributions, but not the earnings, for major expenses that pop up, like a car or down payment for a house, once the account has been funded for a minimum of 5 years. Your child can withdraw money from the account, including earnings, for qualified education expenses without having to pay early withdrawal penalties. 529 Education Savings Plans. If you are looking for a tool to invest for your child's future college expenses, a 529 plan may be a good choice. There are no contribution limits, although you could run into the ceiling for the gift tax. A gift contribution to a 529 plan is a deposit made by anyone but the account holder. If an aunt, uncle, grandparent or other family member makes a deposit, they are all considered gifts. There are two types of 529 plans: prepaid tuition plans, where you buy college credits for the future at today's prices, and education savings accounts where you build a balance and invest your money in the market. These kinds of investment accounts can be used to pay for qualified education expenses, and you can choose from a range of mutual funds and exchange-traded fund. Withdrawals are tax-free as long as they're used for qualified education expenses. Depending on the state where you live, contributions may be tax-deductible, or you may be eligible for a tax credit on your state income tax return. Coverdell Education Savings Accounts. Similar to 529 plans, Coverdell Education Savings Accounts are investment accounts for your child's education. Contributions grow tax-free, and withdrawals are also tax-free when they're used for qualifying education expenses, such as college tuition or books. Unlike 529 plans, Coverdell accounts have strict contribution limits. The maximum you can contribute is $2,000 per year per beneficiary. Higher income households, those with a modified adjusted gross income between $95,000 and $110,000 per year, or $190,000 to $220,000 if you are married and file a joint return, have a reduced contribution limit. Those with incomes over those thresholds are ineligible for a Coverdell. UGMA, UTMA trust accounts. The Uniform Gift to Minors Act and Uniform Transfer to Minors Act accounts are types of custodial trust accounts. A parent or relative can open an account on behalf of a child, and they act as the account custodian until the child comes of age. Depending on your state, the age the child takes over the account ranges from 18 to 25. The custodian can make contributions and invest that money into stocks, bonds or mutual funds to grow the account balance. Other family members can also make contributions to the account. These custodial accounts have more flexibility in that the funds can be used for things beyond education, but they do not have as many tax advantages. Withdrawals from the account can be used to pay for a child's education or anything else that benefits them. Once the child reaches the age of majority in their state, the account is under their control to use as they wish. The child can use the money to pay for college, purchase a car or to put toward a down payment on a home. Brokerage account. Some brokers have accounts specifically designed for teens. They have minimal fees and provide for a buy and hold strategy for long-term investing. In a brokerage account, stocks, bonds, mutual funds and ETF can be purchased for a variety of investment options. Involving children in a few select stock picks is also a great way to get them interested in investing at an early age. Unlike other options that require a parent or relative to act as the custodian, these accounts give ownership to the child. However, parents or relatives should always monitor a child's account activity. For example, Fidelity launched its youth account in 2021. The account is available to teens between the ages of 13 and 17, and teens can invest in most U.S. stocks, ETF and Fidelity mutual funds. It also offers fractional shares, allowing teens with limited funds to invest right away. These accounts don't offer the tax advantages of the other account options, but they do give kids a sense of ownership and control, and the chance for parents and children to learn about investing together. Advantages of investing for kids. It teaches your kids investment basics, it gives money time to grow, and it reduces the need for student loans. Opening an investment account provides you with a great way to educate your child about how the stock market works and how investing can benefit them. This is a powerful way to provide your kids with the foundation they need to build long-term wealth. The earlier you start, the more your child will benefit from compound growth. Even small contributions can add up over time. Education is key. Include your child in the investing strategy, teach them about risk management, showcase the benefit of compounding growth over time, whether using a 529 to focus on education or a custodial account for different goals. Engage your child. Helping people provide a solid foundation for a more secure financial future. One video at a time. We appreciate you tuning in and hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to click on one of our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time on Top 5 Hive.